Now that you've soldered all the electrical components onto the printed circuit board for the controller box, I am going to show you how to assemble the controller box. The first thing you do is to insert the board into the top half of the controller box. You are going to want to make sure the holes on the box line up with the RJ45 ports and the USB port. The board should go in fairly easily with a little bit of a snap. Now, put on the bottom half of the controller box by sliding it over the top half. And that is pretty much it. No tools needed. To take off the bottom half of the controller box, you can just slightly bend it using your thumb and fingers, and you should have no problem pulling it off. You can put it back on the same way. If you ever need to take the board out, you can just push down on the RJ45 ports like so, and the board will pop out. And that is all there is to assembling the controller box.